Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and this is the Investing for Beginners community. Thanks for stopping in and checking out our update to the Robinhood Small Account Challenge. In this video and in this series, I showcase to you how we can grow an account very easily using like 3 simple rules before investing, and you can grow this account starting from zero. Now, I say this humbly and gracefully, not to boast, but simply to showcase to you how you can do the exact same thing. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I will never tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. I don't sell you alerts. I actually don't sell you anything. I'm just a dude in his office that loves to trade stocks and likes to talk about it. So why not show you what I'm doing to beat the stock market? Does that sound good? All that I ask for all this great free information is that you just like this video and subscribe if you find value in it. There's also some links below if you want to sign up for any of the platforms that we use here, like Robinhood, WeBull, MooMoo. Definitely check out those platforms. Links below, you'll get free shares. Now, guys, this account is at $2,500, and it is March, right here, March 1st. Okay, this is a March 1st update. I like to do these at the beginning of each month. I will do these roughly mid-month, maybe. I'll start incorporating these once a month if you find value in them. Let me know, comment below if you want to see more of this account update as it grows. Now, guys, this sounds crazy, but we're actually going to make this account go from $0 to $25,000 by the end of the year. And we have started doing this by investing $5 a day into SCHD. Now, I'm showcasing you this to show you that you can do the exact same thing and how simple it is. Now, we started with $5. Your first order was placed December 29th, 2023 at a price of $76. Now, you can buy fractional shares on most brokerage companies right now, like WeBull, Robinhood, MooMoo. All those accounts have fractional shares that you can utilize to place orders in the market. You don't need $78 to buy this company. Now, this company is a $78 share price at the moment. But as you can see here, I have 2.867264 of a share, almost 3 shares to be exact. Now, all we're doing is adding $5 every single day and buying $5 worth, as you can see here. You could even do it manually if you want. If you want to do it in dollar amount, you can do $5. And you can see here, it's going to show you it's a 0.06 of a share. Say you want like a half a share, okay, say you go $40, you have 0.51 of a share. Now, if you just want to do a full share, then you could just buy a full share and for $78.15. Now, I like to trade in multiples of 10. I like to trade in multiples of 25, or sometimes even multiples of 100 on my main account. Now, I do have to share with you that I have been trading for 6+ years and have actually finally caught on to it the last 2. Have grown my account from 0 because I've either bottomed out or taken all the money out to do other things, given up a lot of different things over the last 6 years, but never stopping the idea of wanting to grow my account. So, over the last couple years, I've really grown my account. I do trade with over $30,000, so I don't have a PDT rule that I have to follow any longer. If you want to learn more information on a PDT rule, then there's other videos that you can watch for that. But basically, it just means that you can't do more than 3 day trades in a 5-day period or once a week. So that will really limit a new beginner. With this, you can see $5 a day is slowly increasing this account. So no matter what, by the end of the year, this account will be at $1,250 on just this one stock, right? So that is one thing that we are doing in this that some people may not realize or not sure if they got confused, but starting at 0 and then adding $5 of our own money is what started this challenge. So technically it's the $5 challenge, but you're also growing the account. And now that we're growing the account, you can see how fast it's beginning to grow. So $5 a day, you're like, that's nothing, right? Well, $5 a day in the first month was literally 30 times 5, that's $150 right there. And then using some simple strategies to start growing the money, you can now see that it's at $2,500. Now, what do we do? Well, we have a lot of trades, guys, multiple trades. We can get into some here real quick. History, trades, we even have a dividend right here, 24-cent dividend coming through, $5 right there from Schwab. We have some more money coming in. Actually, what happened to that dividend reinvestment that we got? We literally just got that today. Let's take a look. Dividend reinvestment. Interesting. Right here. Wait, oh no, that's right there. Interest, we got 75 cents in interest. We're doing another reinvestment, and so we're putting money into the account, but it's $5 a day, right? What's $5 a day? About $150 a month. So yes, we are putting in about $150 a month of our own money. Again, it's about $5 a day, which isn't bad. $150 a month, that's 300 by 2 months. That's $450 by 3 oh man, excuse me. By 3 months, by simply investing it, by simply holding it on, by holding on to it. Now, by investing it, you can definitely make a heck of a lot more. As you can see here, we're up 1%, and that means we made $32 simply today. Now, $32 isn't a lot, but the markets were a little bit crazy today. They were very, very weird. Now, as you can see, all these positions here, we are at almost 3 shares of SCHD. We have 3 shares of Amazon, 10 shares of TQQQ, 5 shares of Lyft, 4 shares of Mara, a share of Dell. Dell went up 30% today, guys. 30% today. If you put $1,000 into Dell, it went up 30%. I'm no mathematician here, but that would be $300 on your investment in a single day. There's not a lot of people out there that make $300 in a day working 8, 10, 12-hour days. And there are others, that do make far more. Now, it just depends on where you are and what you do. But, I mean, guys, $300 a day, do you guys know what that is in a week? That's 5, 10, that's $1,500 in a week. I had to double check myself because it's such a huge number. $1,500 in a week, $3,000 in 2 weeks, $6,000 in a month. How would you like to make $6,000 in a single month? By trading stocks. Sometimes I sit up my computer for 30 minutes. Sometimes it's for 2 hours, but no more than 2 hours. About 90 minutes. So from 30 to 90 minutes is about as long as I'm in the market. I made some day trades. I used them all on this small account, and I seen a lot of good plays to hold over the weekend. So guys, screenshot this if you want. Check my work here on Monday when the market opens so you can see how much we made in real life on the public account, but also how much we made on a paper trading account. I simulated the exact same trades as this with $1,000 in each one of these positions. And guys, I can't believe it. We made over $250 in the very first day using $10,000. It's amazing. It's amazing. The work is there. It's actually working. This account made $30 on $2,500. That account made $300 on $11,000. Okay, so I want to showcase to you the power of using a small account and not getting discouraged that you can never grow it. Yes, you can grow it, even if it's 1% a day. 1% a day of 1,000 is $10. And if you can make $10 a day, then you're doing something right. And if you want to learn more about strategies and how you can actually trade, I have some links above in cards and videos that you can watch. on how to day trade specifically. You could also watch me day trade live every single Monday when the market opens for about 30 to 60 minutes, depending on how everything goes. But yeah, ask me questions, get inside my head. Why am I trading this? What am I doing it for? Why I got in at a certain point and got out at another point. All of that for free for you guys. There's also a link to our Discord channel. Check it below. Get involved with other people like-minded just like you. That's not just on YouTube. Discord is a place where you can talk and get live watch list from me in the mornings, as well as some awesome plays from other members and profits, screenshots, stuff like that, where we could just celebrate and enjoy each other's wins, right? Wins, and then help each other with their losses and pick them back up when we get discouraged or when others get discouraged, guys. But really good profits so far. If you guys want to look at any of these other companies or any of my past history, if you guys want me to get into dividend capturing and my thought process on that, you can. But we have been just trading on this account for over 2 solid months now, January and all of February. We are now into March 1st. So if you guys want to, see this journey of me trading and growing this account live for you guys, my thoughts behind it all, definitely smash the like button. Shows that there's value in it, and follow and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content just like this, guys. As you can see, just a ton of trailing stop sales and trailing stop losses, trailing stop orders and stuff like that. Initiate a lot of market sells to get out, limit buys and limit orders. A lot of great stuff in this channel, so definitely check it out. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video or on Monday in the live stream.